Jazz, welcome or welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I don't have my glasses on with me right now, and that is because I got new glasses, but unfortunately I fucking hate them. They've made me feel really self-conscious, but the deed is done. There's nothing I can really do about it. It's been paid for, it was a present, and this is just gonna be my life for God knows how long. So I really need a pick-me-up. Unless you've been living under a rock, you will know that Selena Gomez and Ariana Grande, two women that have both inspired me and I have grown up with, released new music, and of course I listen to both. So in honor of both of them, I'm going to be recreating a makeup look based off of both of their album covers. We're going to see how this goes. I don't really have necessarily a plan. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe. It means the absolute world to me. You will get to see what I look like with my glasses at some point in this video. Tread lightly, please, because I am actually trying not to fall into a million pieces right now. Hair is up. I don't know if you guys can see, but you see how red my ears are? That's because of the glasses, because they also don't fit me. They're too big. It's just not been, it's just not, really. It's just not. Also, as you can see that I am not in my room right now, I am in the dining room doing my makeup because, quite frankly, I don't feel like this deserves to be seen in good lighting. As usual, the focus is really going to be on the eyes, so we're going to do eye makeup based on their album covers. We're going to do the Lens Makeup Special.
Minimal effort, maximum sweat.
Now the album cover, if you have not seen it, is this keyhole, and on the inside is very like sunset. I'm assuming very homage to her song Sunset Boulevard, but like it's very orange, very red, kind of yellow. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do like a little sunset vibe. I'm gonna go in with my Stay Fuego She Glam palette, and I'm gonna take this shade right here called Hot Tamale. And what we're gonna do is start that off on the outside of the eye. I know this is a really big brush. We wanna blend this out as much as possible to give this like smoky eye effect, at least on the outer corner. And then I'm gonna go in with my NYX palette and dip into this orange right here and then blend that in with the red. Fun fact, I did a very similar look like this when I was in high school, not on myself, but for a photo shoot for my photography class on one of my friends, and she looked real good, if I do say so myself. And I'm gonna take this small flat brush just because it already has yellow on it, and I'm gonna dip into this yellow right here, and we're just gonna tap that into the inner corner. Oh, I didn't prime my eyes. If you do this, prime your eyes. And now I'm just gonna kind of take each brush and start to blend everything together. Okay, now that we have this like smoky sunset eye, I'm then gonna go in with some concealer just on the bottom half of my eye right here so that we can clean it up and make it nice and sharp.
Nice and sharp.
Excuse me?
Excuse me?
Where is the brush? Oh, here it is. Guys, my age was really showing. I'm only 24, but Jesu Creed. I made a joke that referenced Pitch Perfect in front of the kids at work, and none of them understood the reference. Like, what do you mean you don't know what Pitch Perfect is? We're not even that far apart in age. Okay, and now this is where this could go either terribly wrong or incredibly right. I'm gonna take some black eyeliner. This is the e.l.f. black eyeliner pen, and I'm going to do an outline of this like little V that we did. Oh my days, the day I've been having. I pray this goes right. Let me get back to you. This was the vision. I did go in with a smaller brush and sort of like fanned out the edges with some black eyeshadow. I don't really know what to make of this. What I'm gonna do next is make a little circle. Okay, and I think you know where I'm going with this. I'm then gonna drag down just a little bit on either side to make a rectangle. And bada bing bada boom, you've got a little keyhole. I can't say that I like it, but I also can't say that I hate it. Let's go on to Miss Ariana Grande's side, Brighter Days. The vision I had for this one, we're basically gonna do the same thing on the other side. However, we're gonna do this with some blues, and we're not gonna do that with that much. I'm actually gonna start off with this deep navy blue from my NYX palette, and I'm gonna make the V with this. It'll also give us a nicer transition from the black that we will end up using. With the same brush, I'm gonna go in with this lighter blue, this sort of like electric blue. And I'm just gonna add that. Should have primed my eyes. This does not look as vibrant as it should. I feel like that somehow turned green. And then I'm gonna use my fingers to go in with this color right here called Make a Statement. Oh, this is very light. Then again, it was mint, wasn't it? I also have my She Glam Pisces palette. It's a shimmery blue, but I think I'm gonna dip into Dreamy again with my finger and just go over top of that. Okay, we kind of got a bluey situation here. It's very much giving elemental. It's giving fire. It's giving water. I will once again do this, not in front of you guys. Okay, this is what I came up with for this side. I'm just gonna do a little bit more makeup just to put myself a little bit more together, and then we will come back and see what it actually looks like as a full look. Okay, this is the finished look for both album covers. We have I Said I Love You First on this eye and Eternal Sunshine Brighter Days on this side. Here is a little bit more of a close-up for both of them. I know you guys are probably wondering what my glasses look like, and guys, I'm honestly like, why is it so hard? Why don't people understand that people who need glasses, go get glasses, can't see or get a good picture of what it's gonna look like on their face? Because it's not their glasses, it's not their prescription. Of course they're gonna see nothing but blur. Full disclosure, this eye is absolutely treacherous. My vision just keeps going down and it keeps getting blurrier and blurrier. I definitely will go blind in this eye. I'm calling it right now. The lens is thicker, so it touches my eyelashes more. My lens is thicker than last time. You can see that that is my lens, and you can't see the lens popping out on this side. Anyway, I don't want to. These are my glasses.
Oh my god.
They keep slipping down and it's really pissing me off. If they're gonna sit down properly on my face, they have to be like this, but look how my ear folds like a fucking elf. I'm just gonna take these off for the rest of this because as much as I hate how I look like without my glasses, I think I hate what I look like with my glasses right now even more. Oh, also, if you guys didn't see, I also applied again to be on the Sephora squad for Canada. I really want to be on the Sephora squad. I well and truly hope I am taken into consideration. Though my makeup skills are not perfect, makeup is meant to be fun and I enjoy doing this nonetheless. I also just want to learn how to up my game a little bit, meet people who have the same interests and can teach me a thing or two about how to up my game a little bit. I think it would be an amazing opportunity. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe. It means the absolute world to me. Let's get to 200 subscribers. We are so close. And I will see you guys for next week's video. Bye!